Testament presents Alpha Centauri, produced by Cornell West Theories, Tim Hicks, and the Dirty Church.
The dead face to face with Anubis' head. Say I spit raw, well, raw's what I do. Put an unk to the lips of your entire crew. I see the settling of pathetically meddling entities, delicate reality.
Joker Starr returns as Billy Bang Banger and hits you with Shottas.
Fiends calling for cocaine and weed buzz.
Shottas is produced by Zygote and Jazz T and can be copped on 45 and digital format.
Weed heads only rolling the cheese up.
Shante, bitch.
People say twerking's so overrated, but I've got squad goals.
Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Don't like to.
But this is my squad.
Go, girl! Get it, girl! You on the bike, girl! Shake it, girl! Shake it, girl! Y'all be moving those hips!
John Jiggs featuring Reks brings you The Reason.
My part is all factual. I'm just trying to make sure my kids never have to. Sick with the flow, they saying I'm a natural. What you do it for? What you tell them when they ask you? For everybody that's rooting for me to win. What else? Dead homies until I see you again.
Positive K is back with Make It Happen, featuring one half of the 1990s hip-hop duo, Nice and Smooth's Greg Nice.
Young ones must learn. My emotions on my trip just like Big Worm. But some of these pimps took a turn. Caught that tricking disease, but I'm immune to the germ. See, I got a link, but not that link on my neck.
Now watch hip-hop grime artist Isaiah Dread spit pure fire.
I don't want to fool, that's what I'm writing. Left school and my right hand's got a mic in. Hype ting, see the green eyes and the light skin. I'm a dog like Tyson when I'm biting. Buzz like it, I'm a titan, a Viking, I'm rising. Won't stop writing till I win. Club ting, man, I'd rather spend a night in. Spitting bars doing this, since I had a size 6 now. I'm size 1-1, I'm a 1-1s. Sped off in the distance, now I'm long gone. Heard widely at age 6, now I'm on one. Every beat that I beat gets eat 1 ton.
He's certainly one to watch for 2016. Click the link to subscribe. Catch us every Friday morning at 10:30 GMT, where you'll get the latest in hip-hop news. I'm Shante, and you've been watching Itch FM's Weekly Wind-Up. Now watch Isaiah Hip-Hop Grime Head. Every time I say 1 minute, it just stalls it. I'm not even going to say 1 minute. If it comes out mid-flow, then that's what it is. Yeah. Presents. Here we go. Prowess the Testament presents Alpha Centauri. Positive K makes it happen.